house, everything is calm. As you can see, Poopy Face is relaxing on the sofa settee. Yes, and Dean has arrived. Hello, Dean. And outside you will see it is the most atrocious windy day. Don't ask me how, but it is. Take a look at that. Vicious old day. You see everything blowing away in the wind? Oh yes, and if you look up, this is what you see. Windy flowers and the most atrocious windy day. I wouldn't go out there if I was you. I know you might think it's not windy, but it is. Take a closer look. A closer look at the flowers. I'll make it a wide shot for you. Oops, not that wide, just like that. Look at that. It's gale force wind today. See the trees and the leaves? Yeah, all viciously swinging. I know you're probably saying, she's so exaggerating. Of course it ain't that windy. It is. I'm wondering if my flower pots will come off the balcony and blow away. I think that's what they're hoping for. Probably because they bought the cheap ones and that's what happened. Ha ha ha. Boom. And they're all gone. No, I see nothing but wind. Lots of it. All my plants are there. Zooming away. You can see everything up here. See all the pot plants blowing in the wind. Bless you. My beautiful garden. Now what is a police car doing up there?